Your website will end up having a lot of different files associated with it, from HTML and CSS files to images and more. So, the way you organize your website is important. Let's look at the way I recommend you organize your website files. Now, since you're working locally, that is on your computer, you can store your website anywhere. I recommend finding an easy to find place for it, like the Documents folder. So in my Documents folder here on my Mac, I'm going to right click and add a new folder. We're going to call that folder Website. Once I create that folder, I'm going to click into it and I'm going to create a new folder called Images. Images are a common website file, so we will likely be adding a bunch to our website. Having a pre-made folder for them will help us out in the long run. Now, the last thing we want to do is find that index.html file we created earlier in TextEdit and move it into this folder. So I know that I stored mine in iCloud Drive here, so I'm going to right click and open that in a new Finder window or in Finder tab. And then I've got the TextEdit folder here. I'm going to drag this into the website folder. And now we have our website directory set up.